Today we're going to learn how to create a Google Forms assessment on your Google Drive account. So once you log in, you're going to create the form, share it with anyone that you need to, and then once that happens, it'll generate the form that will be creating our assessment. So let's title the form today, Practice. From there, we're going to want to create some questions that identify the student. So multiple choice drop down, we're going to make it text, and then we're going to change the question. Once you click done, that question is registered, and maybe you want to add another text that would give you the class color. That identifies the student, and then from there I like to start the questioning with the page break here. That starts the test, and then we're going to start answering some questions here. The next one I want to show you is a multiple choice question. This gives you the options. In this case, our sample question will be notice the circles for multiple choice. This time I'll add a checkbox question. So you have a whole bunch of different options here, and when you do click done, notice the difference between the true and false and the checkbox here. You can only enter one multiple choice answer, but multiple checkbox answers. I'm going to show you now how to import a video into your assessment. Anything from YouTube can be pulled in, so if you know there's a good video that you want to watch or something that you've created, you can go to YouTube and pull that video in. I created a concepts video for lesson 2.6. I noticed that it's the first one that comes up, and it's the screenshot, so I'm going to select that and bring it in here. Title the video. From there you can resize the video if you'd like, make it a little larger, center it in the form, click done, and then now you maybe want to ask your students a question about that video. So let's ask a simple question here. The text box question, so the students will be able to enter any answer that they'd like, and then they select done. From there, if you're satisfied with the questions that you've created, you're going to go up to change the theme. So the theme's going to change the font and the coloring and maybe a little decoration. So if you scroll down on the right side, you're going to see that there's two pretty school-based question forms here. And so we'll select the homework one. Notice it makes it a little school-like, changes the color and the font. And then from there, if you're satisfied with that, you're going to click View Live Form. This is the form that the students will see. This is the form that the students will submit their answers on. So you can see the same questions that pop up. Now, if you go back to the tab where you've created your questions, you'll notice in the middle here, after we view the live form, the View Responses page is also there. When you created the form, it also generated an automatic form that registers all the students' answers. So their name and class color will go across the row number 2, row number 3, and so on. And you can assess the students like that. With one of the add-ons that's available called Flubaroo, you can actually grade the assignment as the students submit their answers. I hope this helped as you create your own Google Forms assessments now.